So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to hide grid lines here on freeform. So the first thing you have to do is open up the freeform application. Once that is done, just select a document or a board of your choice, or you can go ahead and create a new one. So I'll just go ahead and press on Untitled 4 right here. As you can tell, the grid lines or the grid in the background actually is showing. But if you want to hide this, making it like a blank document, it's super simple. Go to the top right, third from the right, there's an icon that has a square with a bunch of grid lines. Press on that, and two options down it says hide grid. It's pretty straightforward. Simply press on that, and there you go. Now the grid is hidden. So if you want to add a sticky note, if you want to add some text, whatever the case may be, the grid lines are now hidden. Now if you want to go back, press on the same thing, press on show grid, and then the grid lines are back to what they were before. So pretty straightforward, super simple. This is how to hide grid lines here on freeform. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.